What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're assembling the Roto VR Explorer. This chair is motorized, capable of rotating in a full 360 degrees. It also has haptic feedback based on the sounds you hear in game. The chair is designed with the Quest 3 in mind, but works on almost any headset. If you want more info, check out this video linked below. Now let's get into the assembly. For starters, this thing is heavy, so you're going to want to assemble it in the relative location you will be using and storing it. This thing does have wheels, but if you are like me and your gaming dungeon has carpet, it will not be rolling very easily. First things first, take all the components out of the box and confirm you have all the pieces. You should have 3 leg covers with the Roto VR branding, 1 vertical motor with a chair mount, 1 nice squishy butt cushion, 1 rumble pack with a magnetic power cable, 6 legs with their corresponding covers, 1 Roto VR head tracking puck, a bunch of screws, 1 footrest, importantly informing you to wear shoes at all times, 6 wheels for rolling unless you're on carpet, and 1 pretty beefy AC to DC block. Oh, and you can't forget the very large and heavy base. Once you've confirmed you've got all the parts, start by setting up the base upside down. Everything will be assembled onto this component. Take the 6 legs and their end covers along with all 6 wheels. Going 1 leg at a time, take a leg with an orange dot and slide it onto the base over one of the nubs on the elevated side of the base with a corresponding orange sticker. Line up the 2 screw holes at the end of the leg near the base, then use the included Allen wrenches and bolts in the bag labeled with the C to secure the leg in place. Once you've screwed in both screws, slide on the end piece, making sure that the wheel hole aligns. Then push the wheel in the hole to secure the end of the leg in place. As you work your way around, rotate the base so that it leans on the legs that you've already completed, and keep note of the orange legs and non-orange legs. Both are identical, but the orange ones contain sensors, so they need to be in a specific arrangement in order for everything to work. Once all the legs are on the base, flip it right side up to continue assembling the chair. For this next segment, you'll need the 3 leg covers. You will want to align these so that they will cover up the sensors on the legs. This process will take some trial and error. Just make sure you have each plate in the right arrangement so that the textures on the top align with one another. Look at the notches on the underside of the covers. Make sure those notches align with the sensors on the orange legs in order to stop the chair from screaming at you. Right, did I fail to mention, if you do this incorrectly, the chair will in fact yell at you when you power it on. Once the leg guards are on, find the footrest and place it over the center shaft with the white sticker facing up. You'll want to align the square cutout on the footrest with the cable ports on the shaft itself. Now that the footrest is attached, you'll want to move onto the seat. Find the butt cushion and the rumble pack. Mount the rumble pack on the underside of the cushion with the cable facing inwards towards the center and the Roto VR logo facing outwards. The pack should line up with the 4 screw holes on the elevated part of the cushion's underside. Use 4 B-type screws to secure the rumble pack in place. Next, find the chair post with the rotation motor. Then grab your bag of cables, in which you should find 2 cable clips. These are meant to help with the cable management. Using 2 A-type screws, mount these to the back side of the post horizontally. After that, take the post and position it on the underside of the seat. The cable clips should be facing the rumble pack. Then align the 4 holes on the mounting plate with the seat itself. Then take 4 D screws and secure it. Once secured, unscrew the big bolt from the post and plop it down on the base. Line up the screw hole on the base with the screw hole on the chair, and take the bolt that you just took out and put it back in, securing the seat to the base. Now that the seat is secured, you'll want to assemble the backrest. Find the long center bar and the 3 backrest segments. However, before you start screwing them in, take special note of the direction of the bar. For starters, the Made with Meta segment goes on the bottom, with the second largest segment in the middle and the smallest segment up top. Note that the backrest is mounted leaning outward, meaning the segments should be on the side of the bar that is angled up slightly. Once you are sure you know where all the segments go, use 12B screws to lock them in place. After you have the backrest fully assembled, attach it to the seat using 4E screws. The final step is plugging everything up. Start by routing the Rumble Pack power cable down using the 2 cable clips and attaching it to the base. Then plug your AC to DC brick into the wall and into the base of the chair. And with that, you have completed the assembly of your Roto VR Explorer. If you would like me to create a guide on how to use it, let me know. And in the meantime, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, everybody. Bye!